This 2021 Newmar Ventana 3407 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Largo Glacier Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 4, CO detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, TV antenna, stovetop burner, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, DVD player, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar Ventana 3407 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.